Welcome, my dear students. This video is for class 7. Subject is computer. I'm your computer teacher, Anuradha Gupta, going to explain chapter 2, number system, part 2 in this video. Chapter 2, part 1, you have already learned about number system and types of number system in the part 2 of chapter number 2, number system. You are going to learn conversion of decimal numbers into binary numbers and conversion of decimal numbers into binary numbers as well as binary numbers to decimal numbers. So let's start the topic. First, you are going to learn conversion of decimal numbers into binary numbers. In order to convert any decimal number into its binary equivalent, we divide the number by 2 and keep on dividing the number by 2 till we get 1 as quotient. Then, starting from the last remainder, we write all the remainders from left to right to get its binary equivalent number. This is the method to convert any decimal number into binary number. Let's learn with an example.
In this example, we are going to convert 42 in its binary equivalent. So whenever we have to convert decimal number into its binary equivalent, then we divide that number by 2 and write all the remainders towards the right side. So let's start. 42 divided by 2, we will get 21. Remainder is 0. Then again we will divide 21 by 2. We will get quotient 10 and remainder 1. Again we divide 10 by 2. We will get quotient 5, remainder 0. Again we divide, we will get quotient 2 and remainder 1. Again we divide, we will get quotient 1, remainder 0. We repeat this process till we get our quotient 1. When we get quotient 1, we transfer this 1 towards the remainder side and then write all the remainders from down to up. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 is our decimal conversion of 42. 42 is a decimal number, and when we convert this number into the binary, we will get 101010.
We move to one more example.
In this example, we are going to convert 105 into its binary conversion. So let's start the division. We divide 105 by 2 and we write all the remainders towards the right hand side. When we divide 105 by 2, we will get 52 as a quotient. Remainder is 1. 52 divided by 2, we will get 26. Remainder is 0. Again we divide 26 by 2, we will get quotient 13. Remainder is 0. Again we divide 13 by 2, we will get 6. Remainder is 1. Again we divide 6 by 2, we will get 3. Remainder is 0. Again we divide 3 by 2, we will get 1 as a quotient and 1 as a remainder. When we get 1 as a quotient, we transfer this towards the remainder side and write all the remainders from down to up. We will get 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the binary conversion of 105.
Let's move to the next topic, conversion of binary numbers into decimal number. In order to convert any binary number into its decimal equivalent, starting from rightmost digit, we write all the digits from down, top to down, and multiply each digit with 2 raised to the power its place value. Why we multiply each digit with 2? Because binary number system base is 2. When we solve and we will get positional value, we add all the positional values to get its decimal equivalent. This is the method to convert any binary number into its decimal equivalent. Let's learn with an example.
In this example, we are going to convert 101010 in its decimal number system. So how we convert binary to decimal? We write all the digits from right to left side. First we write 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then we put the multiply sign. Then we put base of binary number system. Base of binary number system is 2. Then we put the part of 2. Part always starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we start solving them. 0 multiply 1. Any number raised to the power 0, we will get 1. And 1 multiply 2. 0 multiply 4. 2 raised to the power 2 means 2 multiply 2. In answer we will get 4. Move to the next digit. 1 multiply 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. We will get 8. 0 multiply 2 raised to the power 4 means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Here we will get 16. 1 multiply 2 raised to the power 5. We will get 32. Now we solve to the next step. We will solve the multiplication. We will get here 0. 0 multiply 1, we will get 0. 1 multiply 2, we will get 2. 0 multiply 4, we will get 0. 1 multiply 8, we will get 8. 0 multiply 16, we will get 0. 1 multiply 32, we will get 32. When we get all the positional values, then we add them. When we add them, we will get answer 42. 42 is the decimal conversion of 101010 binary number.
Let's move to one more example to get how to convert decimal binary into decimal. So let's look one more example.
In this example, we are going to convert 1011 into its decimal number system. So let's start. Here we write all the digits from right to left side. 1, 1, 0, 1. Then we put the multiply sign. Then we write the base of binary number system. Binary number system base is 2. Then we put the power or base 2. Always power starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. Or we can say this power is a position of the digit in a number. Where this 1 is present, this 1 is present at the ones place, means 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. Then we start solving them. First we solve the power. 2 raised to the power 0 is 1, 2 raised to the power 1 is 2, 2 raised to the power 2 it's 4, 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. Then we solve the multiply. 1 multiply 1 it's 1, 1 multiply 2 it's 2, 0 multiply 4 it's 0, 1 multiply 8 it's 8. When we get the positional value, then we add them to get the decimal value. 1 plus 2 plus 8, we will get 11. 11 is a decimal number of 1011.
I hope you understood the conversion of decimal to binary as well as binary to decimal. Now we check our knowledge. Here is a task for you. Please pause the video and bring one pen and paper to solve these questions. Like this, we will check how much we got from the video. Let's move to the question number 1. Convert 89. This is decimal number system. Convert 89 into its binary equivalent. And your time starts now. I hope you have done the conversion. If you need more time, please pause the video and complete the question 1. Let's move to the question 2. In question 2, you have to convert 101011 into its decimal equivalent, and your time starts now. I hope everyone completed both the questions. If you need more time, pause the video, take your time and solve the questions. Let's check our answers. In the first question, as they asked to convert 89 into its binary equivalent, after conversion, we will get 1011001 as binary equivalent of 89. Let's move to the second answer. Here we are converting 101011 into its decimal equivalent. We will get answer 43. 43 is a binary decimal conversion of binary number. Now we check our scores. If your both answers are correct, you got both correct answers, then excellent. You got both the topics of this video. If your score is 10 or less than 10, then again watch the video and try to solve the answers correctly. Students, please note down, you have to share your name, class and section along with your score in the comment box. I hope you enjoyed learning computers with me, Anuradha Gupta. Bye-bye for now. Soon we will meet in the next video.